And back on the play-action fake. Touchdown. The pass is complete to Lee Smith, who got free, and the Steelers suddenly trail with 5:20 to go. A 3-yard touchdown strike from Derek Carr to Lee Smith.
Last week against Kansas City, they scored on a similar play.
Quick pop over the middle. Catching it is Juju. He gets the chuck for the touchdown. Juju Smith-Schuster in a crowd would not be denied.
Once again, he was the trail guy in the bunch and does a great job of catching the ball in a crowd.
Gets the shotgun snap. He's back. He waits. He fires. The pass is caught for a touchdown at 21 seconds left. And it is Derek Carrier, a tight end.
Derek Carrier exploded today. What a call by Randy Fiedner.
The kick by Boswell. He slipped and fell and the ball is loose. Oh my goodness gracious. And the Raiders celebrate a real big upset. He slipped and fell as he tried to approach the ball.